Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanette Marie. If you're new here, I'm going to leave my socials down below in case you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Now this video is going to be an unboxing and try on of my Ultimate Glam Bag, my September 2020 Ultimate Glam Bag. So if you guys want to see, then go ahead and keep on watching. So anyway, I apologize if you guys can hear any noise in the background. My landlord's doing some work, so I'm going to try and edit that out, see if I can cancel out the noise, but we'll see how it goes. So this month's IPSY is Good Vibes. That's the theme for this month, and that's September. So this is the bag, and it's quite big actually. So this is everything that came in the Glam Bag Ultimate. I threw my box out, so we're just gonna get started and get into it. We're just gonna start out with the, I'm gonna start out with the eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadow palette I received is the Zoeva Caramel Melange palette. And I'm gonna open that up. I already took the little plastic out, so it doesn't come with a mirror, it's just an eyeshadow palette. These are the colors. And I think I'm just going to go for like a neutral look today. Pretty simple. Maybe use 2 shades out of here and then go from there. And first I'm going to prime my eyes though. I'm using the Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer in the shade Nude. That's this guy right here. This is my first time trying this out. I just picked it up at Ulta Beauty a little while ago. Just haven't had a chance to use it, so we'll try that out. I don't have a mirror, fortunately, so we're just going to use the camera. So we're all prepped. I already have my moisturizer, under eye cream, and I do have my brows done. I did those off camera, and I'm just going to go ahead and I think I'm going to go in with the Universal Delight shade right here. That's a transition shade. And I'm not really sure. We're just going to go with the flow and see what I come up with. So I'm using this IPSY brush. This is IPSY Tetris Collection. And I'm going to pick up that shade and get into it. Now I'm picking up the shade, I think I'm going to go in with the shade Alchemy, which is this one right here. Now I'm picking up the shade Aftertaste, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to apply that over the lids. Alright guys, so I'm done with the eyes, and I wanted to go over how much this eyeshadow palette costs. It retails for $28. Next up, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. That's the next thing in my bag. And I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. This is the primer. Okay, so I'm going to use about a pump of this and try it out. Put this all over my face. Oh, it smells like their foundation, the Huda Beauty foundation. If you guys ever smelled it, it has that distinctive smell. I don't know what the scent is called, but it does smell like that. It's not too overpowering, but if you're sensitive to smells, I wouldn't recommend this. Okay, moving on to the next oh, actually I forgot to mention, this product retails for $35. Next, Julep 5-in-1 Skin Perfector with turmeric, and this is a cushion complexion concealer. And this is it. This is a natural demi matte finish, long-term brightening with turmeric. And this is in the shade Ivory 130, so we'll see if this works for me. It might be too light, but let's give it a go. And this is the little applicator it comes with, this little tiny sponge. Kind of similar to the Age Rewind, I think that's what it's called, from Maybelline. Yeah, you twist it. It has a little spongy thingy. There we go. So I'm going to try this out. At least I didn't have to spin it like a bunch of times. Usually with these you have to do a few times before the product comes out. Oh yeah, it looks a little too light. That's alright. Put it on some of the areas I have a little bit of breakouts and where I have redness. I'm going to use a brush to blend this all out. I'm using the Complex Culture Precision Concealer brush to blend that out. All right. Anyway, this concealer retails for $16. Moving on, we are going in with, let's see, what else we have in our bag here. There's a few things. Okay, so I'm going to finish off the face because everything else in here, well, the blush that I'm going to use, I got to put my face on first. So I'm going to finish up the face and go from there. All right, guys, so we're back. And the next thing we have in here is, I'm going to pull out two things. We have the Freematic Blush by Dose in the shade Daydream. I think that's how you say Dose. In the shade Daydream. And then a brush, an angle blush brush from Moda Brushes. I really like the color of this brush. Okay, so this is a sample product. The blush is a sample product. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty light. I'm going to go ahead and use this and apply it over my cheeks. Okay, and this blush, I don't have a price for it because it's a deluxe sample, so they don't give me prices for the deluxe sample, but the brush retails for $19.99. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and finish off applying some mascara, and then I'll come back and we'll go through the rest of the product. Alright guys, so I'm back and I finished off the face. I just applied some mascara and lip color. And I'm going to go ahead and go through the rest of the things in our bag. And let's see. So the next product we got is the brightening elixir from Gold Faden MD. And this has ferulic acid, vitamin C, vitamin B, and E. It's an advanced brightening and antioxidant serum that works to help against photoaging and free radical damage. So this is it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up just so you guys can see like the consistency of it. It's like a very lightweight gel. Super lightweight. I think it's going to easily absorb into the skin. Oh, one pump covered my whole entire hand, so you really only need about a pump or less maybe. And this is 1 fluid ounce. This is what it looks like. And this retails for, let's check out a little pamphlet here. This retails for $80. Wow. Okay. So I'm excited to try that out and see how it works for me. The next up we received are the Hello Organic Natural and Organic Facial Sheet Masks, and it came in a pack of 3. And these are the 3. Well, this first one is 1 a day grain mask pore refining. That includes Adley and Black Bean. It's a eucalyptus sheet mask. This is this one right here. Then the next one is the hydrating sheet mask that includes coconut and rose water, also another eucalyptus sheet. And then the third one is a brightening mask. Ingredients include peach and lime, also another eucalyptus sheet mask. And these masks retail for $7.50 each. Next thing you received is a La Muse Deep Color Lip Balm in the shade Cherry. This is the box. This is what it looks like. And it's in the shade Cherry. Close, open. Oh, okay. And this is it right here. Oh, how pretty. Doesn't have a scent, but I'm going to go ahead and apply this inside. Actually, I'll apply it on my arm out here so you guys can see. It doesn't have a scent, which is good. This is what it looks like. So it is like it's a tinted lip balm. Feels really moisturizing. And this retails for, what does it retail for? $28. Next up we received is this body lotion by Kenzie in the scent Life Beat. I received this fragrance, I think, in one of my other IPSY bags. I don't remember if it was last month or the month before. And it smelled really good. So let me see if the lotion smells good. Smells the same. It's very light scent. And this is a sample size, so I don't know the price of this, but it has notes of fruity. It has fruity and floral notes, so it smells like citrus, coconut, peach, magnolia, and jasmine, and it's very good, very lightly scented, so it's not too overpowering if you're sensitive to smells. This is pretty good. And like I said, I don't have a price for that because it is a deluxe size, so they don't give you the prices in the little pamphlet for those. Next up we got is the Georgette Klinger Collagen and Elastin Mask. And this is for combination dry and sensitive skin. This claims to plump and strengthen and leave your skin smooth and supple and younger looking. And this is what it looks like. This is also a sample size, so I don't know the price. And then we have also these eyeliners from Pixie by Petra. This is the Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Bronze Beam. And then we also have another eye pencil in the shade Black Caviar. And I do have the Black Caviar already, and it's awesome. I love it. It's one of my favorite eyeliners. Really creamy, glides on really nicely. Let me see if I can find mine so I can show you guys what it looks like. And these retail for $24. Okay, so I have one in the shade Black Noir. It's not Black Caviar, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you guys can see how easily it glides on. That's it, just one swipe, very lightly. You don't have to press down, and it's super creamy, like I said. I really love their eyeliners. I also have another one in the shade Opal, and again, super just glides on. That was just one glide. It's like super shiny. You can barely see it, but there it is right there. I love these eyeliners. Okay, and the last and final product I got in my bag is the this is the Kaja Beauty Bento Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio in Rose Water, and this retails for $21, and this is it right here. I'm gonna open it up and swatch these for you guys. Super cute. Super cute. This is what it looks like. And then it's like a little stack. So this is the first shade, which I have to look at the box to tell you which shade it is. The first shade is called Champagne Cream. The second one is Ballerina Pink, and the third one is Deep Plum. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you guys. Okay, these are the shades right here. You guys can see that, super shiny. And this is the Champagne. Let me see. That one is Champagne Cream, which is the first one. Second one is Ballerina Pink. It's a little pink sheen to it. And the third one is Deep Plum, which is this one right here. And that is it, you guys. That's everything I got in my bag. This is the Ultimate Glam Bag. And in total, let me add it up and then I will let you guys know how much everything costs in here. So the total was $259.49. So that's a huge deal. I mean, look how big this bag is. It's pretty cute, pretty good size. And I love this little leather, well, faux leather that it has right here. It says the name IPSY on it. Super soft. I really liked everything I got. The only thing it was the shade of the concealer. That's the only thing, but I made it work. I think it looks okay. It brightened up my under eyes. It's not an exact match to my skin tone, but it is good for brightening, and that's pretty much it. I enjoyed everything else I got. Pretty happy with this bag. Really love the blush, and even though it was a little sample size, I really love the blush. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this, beauty and lifestyle, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.